Just got done watching this movie called The Warriors. It's like a
It's about
90s
warriors.
street gang movie.
It's like the greatest musical ever, and
Oh Lord, is that some shit? No, shit, man, that's my leg. I'm gonna call it fucking gay if I can't get 3 honor out of Wintergrass.
fresh apple cider from Trax Farm.
Will eat your there.
I like turtles.
I can't get one single goddamn fucking piece of honor.
I like turtles.
I'll harvest your soul.
Water park. Right back.
Gotcha.
That's racist.
I'm going to blow my load all over your inside.
Take that back.
I like turtles. 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 I like turtles.